welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY newspaper photo frame. Okay, so these are the things which you would need. You would need newspaper, then a photo. Based on this photo, you would be taking all the long strips of paper we need. Then a stick, then paintbrush. Paint I have taken pink color. Then some water to paint. Then glue. Then scissors. Okay, so let's start. So first you will need your newspaper. So now I have cut out a small paper from the newspaper. So now take your stick, keep it like this, and then fold this pointed part inside and start rolling it. Roll it till the end. Now I have rolled it to almost the edge of it. So roll it, and then you would need to take glue. Apply some glue here, and just now you can allow this to dry. Now after this finishes drying, you can take out this stick. So now we have got like this one long roll. So take scissors and just cut off this edge. Now take your photo, keep it like this. Now I am measuring for the bottom part. You can do for this side and on the top as the same thing we are doing now. Now just keep it like this. So leave a bit of gap here and then just fold it. Even here. Just fold it. Okay. You've got this length now. Just cut it off. Okay, so now you can paint this in pink color. I am using acrylic color. You can use normal poster colors also. Just like I have shown you how to make this stick, similarly you have to make 13 more sticks. So in all we have 14 sticks. In that 4 should be measured like this, and then 10 of them like this, just I have shown you before, and then you can paint it and allow it to dry. So as mentioned before, I have cut out 8 pieces. This is small, and 4 pieces which is long, and then this piece is smaller than this. You can make the same as this and cut off a little bit on the top. Only then while keeping it at the bottom, it will be fitting with this. So I have completed sticking these two, everything like that. So I'll be showing you how to stick it now. So you will need glue. Now take one stick and apply glue. Then stick this. Now you can allow this to dry. So now even this has completed drying. So now let's start assembling the photo frame. So for that you would need glue. Keep the photo aside. So take the long piece. Take glue. Then a small piece. Then you would need to apply some glue here. Then allow it to dry. Now this has dried. So now you'll need to take another long one. Take glue. Then you will need to turn this over and apply some glue here. Just like we did here, you could stick this like this and allow this to dry. Now you can take another piece that is small. So now if you keep it like this, it should be the same size. So take it and apply glue here and here. Then keep it like this. So allow it to dry. So no need to allow this to dry completely. Just like I showed you at the top, you can follow the same steps and stick at the bottom also. Now this has completed drying. So that time I applied some glue and I told you to make a smaller piece, right, with 2 strips. That one I have stuck here. You can also stick it like that and allow it to dry. So this has dried now. Your photo frame is ready. Now here you have gap, right? Through that you can insert your photo. So now you can insert the photo. So that's it. The photo frame is ready. The next step I am going to show is very much optional. That's just a decoration. If you want, you can use it, or if you don't want, you can just skip that. Okay. So for that you will need a circle paper. So now fold it in half. Then fold it again like this. Then again. Now turn it. It has come like this. So take a pencil, keep it and draw like a petal. So now using scissors you can cut this out. Okay, so now let's open this. Wow, it's a flower. So now you can bring in your photo frame and you can stick this. I have a bead here. I am sticking this here. And I have one more flower. So you can apply glue and stick this here and decorate your photo frame. Okay, so that's it. Our photo frame is ready. So please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.